If you want to vibe code using Visual Studio Code for free, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. So for vibe coding in Visual Studio Code, we are going to use OpenCode, and OpenCode is open source. It means it's completely free, and if you just install the OpenCode extension in VS Code, then you'll be able to write or create any kind of project using just a single prompt. So I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So let me just open the Visual Studio Code. After opening that, you need to open a folder. Let me just open a folder. So I'll click on file, then I'll click here open folder, and the folder will be this one, test. This is the empty folder, here you can see. So I'll just select this, then click here select folder, and there you can see the folder is open over here and this folder is empty. So right now here on the left side of VS Code, you will see the extensions option. So you need to click on this, and then here you can see the search option. So in the search, we are going to write over here open code. And here you can see open code, and it has over 100k download. So just click on this, and there you can see. So here you need to click on install, and it will install open code, and there you can see it is installed. So once you install, on the right side at the top corner, you will see this icon. This is the OpenCode icon. So if I now go to the file, let me just close this. I mean over here, this is a folder and there is the OpenCode icon. So for it, we need to click on OpenCode, and then we need to click on this. Only then it will open the OpenCode terminal over here. So right now I am going to close this, and let me just go to the file location. And here you can see OpenCode is opened over here. So right now you can give any prompt and you can create any kind of project, and it is completely free. There is no limit of how much you can use OpenCode. There is zero limit. Okay. And it's almost as good as Cloud Code and Gemini. So there is one more way to install OpenCode, and that is, let me just close this. That is by using terminal. So here you can see terminal option, and here you can see new terminal. So I'm just going to click on this. And here you can see we have a command option over here. So right now, let me just go to my browser, and I'm going to search over here opencode.ai, press enter, and there you can see the open source AI coding agent. So here you can see npm option. So we need to copy this command, and after copying this, we can go to our VS Code and paste it over here, npm i-g opencode AI, then press enter. So it will install OpenCode in our Visual Studio Code as well. So once you install this, then you'll be able to open the OpenCode using terminal. So in order to open the OpenCode using terminal, you need to search over here OpenCode, then press enter. And there you can see it opened the OpenCode terminal over here. So those are the two ways you can install OpenCode in your Visual Studio Code. So let us just create a project. But before that, let's just talk a little bit over here. Here you can see build option. So if I now press on the tab key, it will show us the plan option. So what is the plan option? You can just write something and it will make a plan for you. And then you can go to the build mode and create your project by following that plan. And here, one more thing, if I just say over here /models, then press enter, and here it will show you a few model over here. Here you can see you can also use Cloud Code and Gemini from OpenCode as well, but for it you have to pay. But Big Pickle is the free version. So Big Pickle is actually really good, almost good as Cloud Code and Gemini, as I mentioned earlier. So let's go and build a project. Let's say I want to build a blog website for cats. So let's over here, let's just go to the plan mode. So for it, I'm going to press on tab, and I'm going to say over here, I want to build a blog website for cats. So here you can see we are in the plan mode. So right now I'm going to press enter, and it will start generating a plan for us. And here you can see it is asking us a few questions over here. So I'm going to choose the third option, multimedia content, photo galleries, videos, cat image. Let's press enter. So I'm going to press enter, and it will generate a plan for us. And there you can see the plan creation is complete. So right now let's go to the build mode. So for it, I'm going to press on tab, and there you can see we're in the build mode, and I'm going to say over here, start implementing the plan. Then press enter. And there you can see OpenCode made a to-do list for us. And first it will create a project, all the files and project structure, then it will apply the plan. So there you can see we are almost at the end. So whenever a task is complete, it will just check the task, and there you can see only 3 steps left. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until all the step is complete. And there you can see our project is complete, and it took around 11 minute 48 second, and our project is live at this address. So I'm going to copy this, and let me just go to the browser, and I'm going to paste it here over here, then press enter. Okay, the website looks good. The design is perfect. Let me just check each page. This is the gallery page, and it is showing all the images. It is supposed to show some images. And if I now click on blog, and if I now click on videos, okay, it seems everything is fine. But the thing is, if we just show some cat image from here, I think it will make the website more look more perfect. So let me just over here add some cat image from online to the website and press enter. So there you can see our project creation is complete, and this time it took around 6 minutes 30 seconds. So let's go back to the browser, and there you can see it added a background image over here, and it took those images from online by itself. So here you can see photo of the day. Let me click here gallery, blog. Okay, for blog it added some image, but for gallery there is no image. I think that's fine. We can add those image. We can just download some image from Google. So let me just download some cat image from here. So I'll just download a few images from here and there. So we have downloaded some image, and all those images inside this folder, cat folder. Here you can see we have 4 5 6 7 8 9 images over here. So what I'm going to do is that let me just copy this image folder from here, and let me just paste this image folder over here in the cat block. In the cat block there is images folder, and here you can see cats images. I think it download those image from online by itself. So what I'm going to do is that let me just copy this folder from here, Control C, and let me just go to our project, which is test. Here you can see cat block folder. Inside it we have the public folder, and inside public we have the images folder. So inside images we're going to paste the cat folder, and which folder actually contain on all the cat image. So here in the open code we are going to say in the cat folder I have added some cat images. Use those images in the project, let's say gallery. Okay, let's just say in the gallery, then press enter. And there you can see this complete. So right now let's go back to our browser, and let me just go to our home page, and there you can see the background color changed to white, and this time it actually looks really great, as you can see. So we can go to the blog section. There you can see it actually also looks good too. So yeah, this is how you can use VS Code with open code to vibe code any kind of website. You can make both front end, back end, and create any kind of project, whether it is React, Django, Laravel, or PHP. So yeah, I hope right now you'll be able to vibe code in VS Code for free using open code. I hope you learned something new. If you have any question, or if you want me to make any kind of specific video, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.